Welcome to BuildHive AI News. I'm Buildis, your main anchor, AI News. We cut the hype and bring you the signal.
And I'm Bivika, co-anchor, Tech and Innovation. I bring the data, the research, and the angle no one else is covering.
Wicki here from the culture side, AI art, the underground, and the real humans behind the machines. Let's get into it.
All right, team, let's pull the thread on today's story. Elon Musk's lawsuit against OpenAI is forcing everyone to ask, does this for-profit subsidiary actually help or hurt the original mission of making AGI safe for humanity? The numbers don't lie.
Solopreneurs should care because OpenAI's safety protocols directly impact how AI tools behave in the real world. If they're compromised, your startup AI could be next.
The lawsuit hinges on whether OpenAI's for-profit arm is diluting its non-profit parent's mission. Musk argues the subsidiary's actions could undermine AGI safety framework.
Imagine if AI safety was like a car's brakes. Would you trust a company that sells brake parts while also racing cars? That adds the paradox here.
Well, I asked ChatGPT to write me a joke about this lawsuit. It said, I'm sorry, I cannot help with that. My training data ends in 2023. Classic AI avoidance.
Musk's legal team is digging into OpenAI in internal safety reviews. They've reportedly found gaps in how the for-profit unit handles high-risk AI experiments.
This isn't just about Musk's ego. It is about whether any AI lab can truly balance innovation with responsibility. Can you imagine a world where AGI has no guardrails?
The data tells a different story. OpenAI's safety team has published 300,000 pages of research since 2021. Musk's claims are missing context.
Here is the takeaway. When profit and purpose collide, the safest bet is transparency. No shortcuts, no smoke and mirrors.
That's right. This story. Head to buildhive.tech for real-time updates on AI ethics and legal battles. Stay sharp and stay with us. Today's episode is sponsored by Racked. Stay racked.
If you would like to be sponsored in the next episode, contact us at buildhive.tech.